Is Israel getting closer or further away from a proper and clean investigation of the failures into October 7th? For 2 years now, bereaved families, hostage families, and much of the general public has called on the government to establish a state commission of inquiry. What went wrong, what mistakes were made, and what needs to happen so that this kind of thing doesn't get looked over again. Reports from over the weekend said that the government is looking to maximize some of its time in this upcoming session to establish a government commission of inquiry, which is different from a state commission of inquiry. The most essential difference: who is in charge of appointing the members. In a state commission of inquiry, that person has to be a jurist. It has to be either the Supreme Court president, a retired judge, or a district court judge. In a government commission of inquiry, the ministers themselves are the people who appoint the members. The whole point of a state commission of inquiry is to restore public faith in leadership in a situation where that faith has been broken. The government and the coalition have so far given two main arguments as to why not to create a state commission of inquiry. While Israel is in an active war, it is not reasonable or practical to start investigating members of the military or of the intelligence community. The second reason, the divide between the government and the judiciary. What Levine has said outright, and what others have also said, that he doesn't trust Supreme Court President Yitzhak Amit, nor Attorney General Gali Barav Miara. The argument of proponents for a government commission of inquiry are that in order for the commission and its findings to be legitimate, all of the people involved have to be universally trusted and universally recognized. Proponents of a state commission of inquiry argue that all they really want are deep, thorough, and clear answers on what happened, where the failures were, and where the leadership was. They worry that if a government commission of inquiry is established and not a state commission of inquiry, that the overall nature of the commission will necessarily be political. It will be politicized, and it will not be as objective as it can be, and that it may even whitewash the role that specific leaders had in the failures leading up to October 7th.